Hey all, Chris from Props 3D, and for this long weekend I want to show you the joys and ease of Bombarda fishing with 3D printing. So Bombarda is sort of like a sinking weight that you put on your line. You put a swivel on it, it's just free floating on your line, a couple of little weights maybe if you want to retrieve faster, and then a small lure like a spoon or a fly that you normally can't use on a spin casting rod. It allows you to cast incredible distances and use things to catch small fish like the rainbow trout I'm fishing for here using a spin rod rather than a fly rod. This is extremely kid-friendly. Retrieve your line at a moderate speed. If you're using a fly, stop every 5 to 10 seconds to let it sink, and if you're using a spinner, try to vary your speed a little bit, but keep it going a little bit fast. And bam, we got ourselves a fish. I find me and my couple of buddies who fish like this generally tend to outfish the whole lake. We get people coming along asking us all the time, so I thought I would share it with you and post the model for free on Thingiverse for anyone to download. We print it with 100% infill. I have the air chambers to regulate the sinking already built into the model. I really recommend you print these with PLA. PLA is a cornstarch-based plastic, and it does biodegrade much faster than regular plastic, so it's much better for the environment to use. I use virgin PLA, which is transparent and doesn't have any dyes or any other things you don't want to get into the lake. There you go, got yourself a beautiful rainbow trout. Some of you may be thinking dinner, but I'm only here to enjoy the beautiful weather and to get away from the computer, so I always let them go. Let other people enjoy them and let the fish continue about enjoying their lives. If you are a maker like myself and you want to get into fishing, I highly recommend you give this a try. As always, I'd love to give a massive shout out to the Props 3D Patreons that allow me to bring these models to you for free. Steve Barsom, Michael Lewis, Matthew Klabish, Chris Coolmod, Fernando Diaz, CC, and the Light Gun Lunatics group on Facebook. Thank you all for your support, and thank you so much to the Patreons in the crawl that follows.